everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all doing well. Today we are in Arthur Avenue, the Little Italy in the Bronx, not in Manhattan. Today is a beautiful day, sunny Saturday, and we are having a small walk in Little Italy, Arthur Avenue. It's 73 degrees, 21 Celsius, and we're having a small walking tour in this beautiful neighborhood. Arthur Avenue dated back 1850s. This is a couple of blocks long street which is full of Italian cafes, Italian delis and restaurants and other merchants. Little Italy is in a neighborhood called Belmont. Belmont is also very famous with a couple of movies. One of them is very important, is the Bronx Tale. There is also a Broadway musical named The Bronx Tale as well. Now we're having this tour started. Let's dive in. This one is very famous deli in the Bronx in Arthur Avenue. This is called Casa della Mozzarella. There's a lot of Italian products inside, especially very delicious mozzarella cheese inside, and also very nice prosciutto, beautiful prosciutto, and many other Italian origin products. Let's head down. This is another cafes over here, and you're gonna see a lot of Italian restaurants right now. Enjoy. This is one of my favorite bakeries in Italian town, and they have the best cranberry bread. That's all, thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. You too. And this is Arthur Avenue Retail Market. This is a closed area, a market with full of different kind of merchants inside. Let's check it out inside. Like in any other Italian town, these are the cigars are very famous here. You can see the merchants are here. They're handmade cigars. They're doing their handmade cigars here. This is the bar in the middle of the market. Hi. Yeah, as I said, this is how the restaurants look like right now in New York City. It's only outdoor dining. It's an old style cafe shop. Typical old traditional Italian pastry shop. And they have the best cannoli ever.